This is Heidi. I am recording for the final project online course prototype. The course topic I am using for the final project is Introduction to Clinical Research, and the learning management system I am using for this course prototype is Canvas. So this is actually my Canvas course site, and I am going to show you the Introduction to Clinical Research course site I put together. So this is the homepage of my fully online course site. You can see there are like a different communication assessment tools. Click assignments, actually you click assignments, you will be able to see all graded learning activities and assessments I put together for this module. And I have some discussion forum, and also I have a assignment Dropbox created for a learning activity asking the learners to put together the delegation of authority form, and also I have a participant responsibilities exercise for the learners to fill out before they dive in. So that's kind of like the way you can see all of the graded learning activities. And I also use the discussions tool. For example, like I have the modest points, which will be used to cover, like to clarify some like most common errors, frequent asked question, any course content related questions. And also I have like something for the students and the learners to introduce themselves, and also some like content related discussion forum for the learners to participate. But if you just like go through those tools, as a learner, definitely you will be confused. The prototype will be better presented through the module structure. So I organize all of the learning activities and assessments using the modules tool offered by Canvas. I only right now have one module, and before they take this module, they're supposed to take the participant responsibilities exercise. The purpose of that exercise is to ensure learners read the course policy and learning module guide, and to ensure they understand the importance of the information contained and their responsibilities within the course. It is also working as an agreement or a contract between learners and the course. I will give you a quick look on the participant responsibilities exercise. I am using the quiz tool. I have like right now 5 questions. So it's mainly about have you read the course overview, the learning activity guide, such and such. For the fully online course, I think it is very important to show the expectation for what's coming up. Okay, so let's go back to the modules. Like I mentioned, the prototype will be better presented by the structure. Each module starts with a module guide. So this is the first page, and all of the activities in the page, they are the order of recommended timetable. The module guide provides descriptions on module goals, learning activities, assessments, and a descriptive guidance on how to complete the module. Each module also starts with schedule, which provides recommended timetable or outlines to help learners to organize time and go through all requirements for the week so as to successfully complete the module without waiting until the last minute. The checklist lists all required learning activities and assessments in the manner of the recommended timeline or checkpoints. A printable version of the schedule and the checklist will also be provided for the learner's convenience. The WebQuest model will be used in some learning activities. A WebQuest learning activity should be inquiry-oriented and based on a doable and engaging task. The model is based on constructivism learning theory and promotes knowledge building through self-learning. The components in general include introduction, of tasks, process, and evaluation. You should be able to navigate back and forth through the module. by using the previous and the next buttons provided through the Module 2. Module 1, Introduction to Clinical Research Coordinator Role. This learning experience is designed to help you to gain and practice your ability to critique. A clinical trial can be viewed as while the study team is responsible for initiating. This is another component of my module template. I use mini lecture, which is a narrated interactive lecture. These type of lectures will walk learners through key and essential concepts and prepare them for the competency-based assessments. The lectures feature with instructor voices, interactive self-assessment questions, and allow anywhere, anytime access. If you want to, you can go through all of the study team slides. And the investigational site team are both held accountable for ethical and because of the time limit, we're not going to go through this mini lecture, but you get the idea. Let's go back to the course. This is another assignment. So the assignment drop box, the assignment instructions will provide crystal clear guidance on the purpose of the assessment, how long it will take, and how to complete. I also have like a template for assignment instruction. If you're interested, I will be more than happy to share with you. Canvas assignment tool will be used for both group assignment and individual assignment. Regarding the instructor feedback, in general, there are like 3 types of instructor feedback related to my prototype. Comments and feedback can be provided to both individual and entire class through posts, replies, and announcements. Private feedback will be delivered through replying to private posts and emails. To the assignment submissions and common errors, a podcast recording may be made public, summarizing the submissions. The summary may address common errors, most asked questions, and the muddiest points, and so on. This is the module structure. And I think that's all. Thank you for viewing.